Are indictments considered public record? In recent news, many people are asking an important question. Are indictments considered public record? This topic has gained attention as various high-profile cases unfold. If you have been following the news, you may be curious about how indictments work and their implications for defendants. Let's break it down. Indictments are generally regarded as public records within the criminal justice system. An indictment is a formal accusation made by a grand jury. It indicates that there is sufficient evidence to charge an individual with a crime. Once an indictment is filed with the court, it typically becomes part of the public court record. This means that anyone, including the media and legal professionals, can access it. However, there are exceptions. In certain situations, a court may seal an indictment. This can happen to protect ongoing investigations or to safeguard the privacy of individuals involved. Despite these exceptions, the general rule remains that indictments are accessible to the public. For defendants, the public nature of indictments is significant. Once an indictment is issued, the charges against a defendant become known. This transparency supports the defendant's right to a public trial. It also allows the defense team to prepare by reviewing the charges and evidence outlined in the indictment. It is important to note that while the indictment itself is public, some details or related documents may be redacted or sealed. This is done to protect witnesses or sensitive information. If you are looking for an indictment, you can often find it through court clerks or online court databases. The availability of these records may vary based on jurisdiction. For example, in the United States, both federal and state courts maintain public records of indictments unless a court order restricts access. Internationally, courts like the International Criminal Court also publish redacted versions of their decisions and filings for public viewing. This practice helps maintain transparency in the legal process. In summary, indictments are usually considered public records, providing transparency in the criminal process. However, specific circumstances may limit access to protect privacy or security interests. Understanding how indictments work can be essential for anyone interested in the criminal justice system.